Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install AltStore on iOS. This is the full guide from start to finish. I'll explain everything step by step, what AltStore is, what you need to prepare, how to do the first setup with a cable, and finally how to use AltStore completely wirelessly on your iPhone or iPad. So if you've been searching for the easiest way to install AltStore on iOS, this video will guide you through the entire process. Let's dive right in. You only need the cable once for the first setup, and after that, AltStore will refresh apps automatically through Wi-Fi as long as your iPhone and computer are on the same network. First, download AltServer from AltStore. It is supported for both Windows and Mac. In my case, I will try to install AltStore using Windows computer. Extract the AltStore, then run the setup to install AltStore on your computer. Once installed, click the Start button on Windows, type AltServer, and run the program. Before running AltServer, you must have iCloud for Windows. Click Download button to download iCloud. You'll automatically get the iCloud installer file. Wait a few moments until it finishes downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and install iCloud on your Windows. Once iCloud installed, you'll now see the AltServer icon in your system tray. Check it on bottom right corner of your screen. At this point, you're ready to connect your iPhone or iPad to install AltStore. Plug your iPhone or iPad into your computer using the USB cable. Click the AltServer icon in the system tray. Choose Install AltStore, then select your device name from the list. Enter your Apple ID and password when asked. Don't worry, this is sent securely to Apple servers for signing the app. AltServer will now install AltStore on your iPhone or iPad. Go back to your iPhone or iPad home screen. You will see AltStore has been successfully installed. Before running it, you must verify the developer profile. Open Settings, General VPN and Device Management. Under your Apple ID, tap Trust, then Confirm. Then, if you are asked to enable developer mode, enable it first. Go to Settings, hit Privacy and Security. Scroll down, find developer mode, and turn it on. Restart your device if prompted. Now you are ready to open and use AltStore. On first launch, you need to sign in with your Apple ID again to connect AltStore wirelessly. Open AltStore, then go to Settings. Tap Sign in with Apple ID. Enter the same Apple ID you used earlier. Once you sign in, AltStore will be fully connected and ready to install or refresh apps wirelessly over Wi-Fi. Now that AltStore is ready, let's see how to install your favorite apps. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Browse and select the IP of file you want to install. In my case, I'll install the UTM emulator on my device. Wait a few moments while AltStore installs the app. You can even unplug your USB cable now, because once Wi-Fi sync is enabled, you can install IP of files wirelessly as long as your iPhone and your computer are on the same network. Once the process is complete, the app will appear instantly on your iPhone or iPad home screen, just like a normal App Store app. And that's how simple it is to sideload apps using AltStore. And that's it! You've just learned how to install AltStore on iOS wirelessly, from setting up AltServer, verifying AltStore, enabling developer mode, all the way to installing your favorite IPA apps, like the UTM emulator. Remember, you only need the cable once. After that, AltStore works completely wirelessly over Wi-Fi as long as your iPhone and computer are on the same network. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.